Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about one of the most important topic, how to migrate our workflow rules to flows. Okay, so the Salesforce already given one option. If we click that option, then it will migrate our workflow rules and process builder to directly flows. Okay, so we all know Salesforce is going to deprecate our workflow rule process builder in 2023 release. So before that, we need to migrate everything into flow. Okay, so first we'll see how to migrate our workflow rule to flow. So just you can go to workflow. Okay, these are the existing workflow. Whatever the existing workflow available, then it will be available. Okay, you can see these many workflow rules available in my R dev. So there are two way to convert our workflow rule to flow. Okay, first one is you can see in the top, migrate your workflow rule to flow. This is one option. Okay, otherwise you can go to setup, migrate to flow. Okay, two options available. We can choose any option. Simply we can click on this one. Okay, just click on this, migrate flow to workflow to flows. This one, it will open the new window. Okay, so you can see these many workflow rules available. Now I'm going to choose this one. Okay, if I open this work on the workflow rule, the object is employment detail is the object. Okay, and rule criteria is employee detail, email equals null, then this two action will be fired, email alert and field update. The email alert will be email sent. Just will can see what is the email alert. It's opening. Yeah, you can see. So they are currently they are sending the one email to the users. Okay, after that field update, if email is null, then they are updating. Email is blank, then they are updating this value, they are updating. Otherwise they are updating the current value. Okay, this is the formula. The email field updated. If the email field is null, then default they are updating this value. Okay, otherwise the current email address value they are. So now we can migrate this workflow rule to flow. Just select the option which workflow rule you want to migrate, and there are two ways you can migrate to flow. Otherwise, you can migrate to workflow. So if you use this option, this particular workflow rule will be migrate. But you can choose here in this option also. You can choose this one, migrate to flow. Okay, I'm going to use this option, migrate to flow. Click on this. You can see that your workflow rule created success, your flow was created successfully. Okay, this is a employee emp update is the workflow. So just we can do the testing. So just if you click, the flow builder will be open with all our changes. Okay, let's see. So this converting process will be take based on your length of the workflow rule. Now everything will be open. Okay, so you can see there are run immediately field update records. Okay, so email field, there use the formula field. Okay, this is of update email field, one formula field is updated, and email sent action also is updated here. Record id, this is the email alert, email sent. Okay, so now the equivalent workflow rule, uh, workflow rule equivalent flow is created. Now if you want, we can activate. For that, we activate the workflow. This is the first step, is workflow is created. If you want, you can run and debug and everything, you can do it. Okay, second step is activate the flow. So if you switch activation, okay, your workflow rule will be deactivated and flow will be activated. So if you refresh this flow will be activated. You can see the workflow rule is the flow is activated. You can go to your workflow rule and the workflow rule will be deactivated. Basically, you can see the workflow rule is deactivated now. And so you can go to the flow builder. Okay, yeah, this is EMP update only. We are updated. You can see the description migrated from the employee update workflow rule description. Okay, this is the description they are updated. We know, right? So how this workflow rule is created from, so this flow is created from this workflow rule. Okay, so similarly, we can able to migrate all our existing workflow rule to flows. Okay, so this functionality we should be do it before 2023 release. Okay, because in the 2023 release, all the our workflow rules are going to deprecate by Salesforce. So before that, we should migrate all the workflow rule and process builder to flows. Okay, so if you have any doubts on this migration, just put it in the comment. I will reply. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.